Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So it's been nearly 4 weeks, I guess, since I recorded any video. So we are going to, do Hot Wheels this week. So before that, I just want to say thank you to, you know, uh, most of the people who are still watching my content, and I can see my views are actually really bad nowadays. But whoever watching even now, I'm really thankful to those people, and I'm seeing comments from people in Reddit or even in YouTube or even in Instagram. People are saying uh, the reviews which I am doing help them to you know uh, buy those cars or not. So I'm really happy that it helped you guys, and I'm really happy that you gave me those kind of comments. Those are really compliments, so I'm really happy about that. So with that said, I want to start off this week by showcasing you this. I hope you guys saw the shots by right now. So let me show you that. So this week we are going to unbox the Pantone series. So someone was asking me about this sometime back. I don't remember. So I bought this sometime, like 2 weeks back, and then I was not in Chennai at the time, so I was not able to record this particular set. So I bought this and also the Fast and the Furious set. So we will be unboxing this, back to back. So I personally love this particular blue color. So Pantone is original, those are the original colors where people refers to. So that's what I actually came to know. So this particular Fairlady Z looks really beautiful. I don't know why people are not picking this Fairlady Z, but honestly, that is a really beautiful car, and the color is actually really good. I mean, you guys need to see it in person. Okay, this is my personal favorite, the Ford Mustang Boss 302. Personally, I'm a muscle car lover. Apart from Lamborghini, I'm talking about. So Lamborghini is something. It is separate. So the two things I really love in cars, which one is one is muscle car. So whatever comes under that category, that can be Ford. It started with Ford for me. So and then Dodge. So and then even some Chevy has some muscle cars. So so this one is really special for me because the color actually looks really beautiful, and it really matches the tone of that car. So instead of going like a blue or orange or something like that, they went with this kind of, I don't know, maroon, I guess. So this is the actual color's number, but I don't know what color is this. I'm going to say it as maroon, but it really suits this particular car. Okay, next one is this. So I don't know why they keep doing this thing. Put some fantasy car in between the actual, you know, real life cars, and they are always doing this twin mill thing. And I'm really getting tired of this, seeing this twin two things. I'm really tired all the time. One is twin mill, and second is the Batman. So whenever, every year, at least, you can see twice or thrice, you can see the Batman set. It can be in 5 pack, it can be in that Silver Line series, or in every case has a Batmobile now, and same goes for the twin mill. So it is really getting boring nowadays. So I know I'm not a very big YouTuber, but if somehow someone from Mattel or someone watching this, please don't do this again and again. It is really irritating at this point, and it actually uh, makes me think why I'm buying this set. Because just see, I can't able to avoid this, because the person who sold it to me, he asked me to buy the entire set as a set, and whatever he had remaining. So the remaining one actually had one of this car and one Fairlady Z. So that really pissed me off. Okay, so here is the other one, the cool combi. Okay, this one is a cute one. So honestly, this is the only car I'm pissed about, but rest everything is really awesome. So here's the Copo Camaro. I do love Copo Camaro, and I do love this color scheme they went with this particular car. This also really suits really well with that car. And last but not least, the Chase, which is this one. So this is the Porsche 934/5, and okay, this is a full metal car. I'm just telling you right away, guys. So you can feel the weight, and you can see that it is metal as well. So yeah, this looks really good. So I do want to unbox and see how this one looks in hand. I don't know how many people are actually opening this. but I'm going to do it anyways, as you guys know. Okay, so with that said, this will be the unboxing video for this particular week. And I did buy a lot of cool majorettes. I mean, those are really amazing. So I will be doing videos on those also soon, because I'm really not able to contain my excitement. Today I bought team transport in Majorette that has body kit for both both the transport and also the car, and on top of that, that was really amazing. So I'll be doing that very soon. I do want to, I bought some display cases as well. So I will be doing a very small video on that as well. So stay tuned for those also. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.